Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Labels by Soumi. My name is Soumya and in today's video we are going to talk about color correction. So why do you actually need to use a color corrector? I'll tell you why. Even after taking a good care of our skin, we don't get our desired results after doing our makeup. This is because we have hyperpigmentation or redness on our skin which can only be cancelled out by using a color corrector. So without any further ado, let's get started. Have to start by moisturizing your face, which I've already done. So now I will prime my face. You just have to gently rub your primer on your finger and just apply it on your skin. So if you have any darkness on your face, you have to use this orange color corrector, and if you have any redness on your face, you have to use the green color corrector. So I'll be starting with the orange color corrector for the dark areas of my face. Remember, you always have to apply a very thin layer so it does not become very heavy on your skin. Little on the downward. So you can use your sponge or your fingers to blend it. I use my fingers to blend my color corrector. In fact, I use both, but first I use my fingers. Remember, you always have to use your ring finger because it has a very light pressure. Now I'll be using my beauty sponge to blend it nicely. It makes it very natural and I think everyone should use it. So after I'm done with the orange or reddish color corrector, I'll be correcting the redness on my face with the green color corrector, which is caused by acne. So if you have an acne prone skin, you should definitely go for a green color corrector. I'll be blending it with a sponge. This cancels out all the redness on your face. So after using my green color corrector, I'll be going with a concealer under my eyes. So I'm done. I'm not going to use my fingers this time. I'll be going in with my beauty blender. Blending is really important, guys, so you have to keep this in mind that you blend it like really properly and nicely for a perfect base. And don't forget to use a primer because primer keeps the foundation in place all day long, so it's very important. So as you can see, I'm done with it. Now I'll be going in with the yellow color corrector just to brighten my under eyes. So I'll be using the same brush for it, just a little bit. You don't have to use too much. This will brighten your under eyes and the foundation will look really good on your skin. I'll be using my sponge to blend it out. So as you can see, I have done correcting my skin. I'll just go and put on my foundation so that you can see how flawless it looks. I'm finally done with my makeup and as you can see, it is looking so flawless on my skin. So if you guys have any questions, please comment it down on the comment section below and I will get back to you. Or you can follow me on Instagram. Everything is listed down in the description box below. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.